film and storytelling industry progressing at a rapid pace, there are some formalities that need to stay constant, as a template and an example for future stories yet to be told. To many people, classics are pieces of a medium that evoke a sense of nostalgia.
For example, Twelfth Night is a classic Shakespeare novel that was cemented and redesigned into the modern movie She's the Man.
A classic is a new aspect of a genre or a new genre entirely. It is a revolutionary concept or idea. Classics generally create tropes rather than reuse tropes from other movies.
For a story to be a classic, it needs to have a storyline that can be replicated on a simpler version. It becomes so popular and iconic that people can recognize it from a diverse range of generations and cultures.
For it to be a classic, it needs to exemplify several traits, such as high standards of entertainment, universal appeal, and influence.
They have to have a memorable storyline, and modern-day storytelling is often based off other classics.
Let's take a look at The Lion King, a famous movie based on the classic novel, Hamlet. These two have many similarities, like shared lines. For example, the original storyboard had Scar quote one of Horatio's lines.
Both the protagonist's uncles force them to go into exile. Another link that connects these two storylines is that both the protagonist's fathers appear to them as a ghost.
In conclusion, classics have shaped the way that certain aspects of media and future stories are created. They leave a lasting impression on storytelling.
Hi, we're presenting to you from Herzlia College. We're a mixture of grade 7 and 8 pupils with a genuine love for problem solving and creativity. We are Benjamin Levinson, Amy Distiller, Neo Hermes, Ariella Landau, Jessica Sherman, Mira Gibson, and of course, Leah Rodenacker. And this is our take on a story that we know is classic.
As time proceeded to slip away, the night emerged closer and closer. Alex's schoolwork lay on a desk beside her. War, battle, and conflict could be detected from games echoing throughout her room. The sound drastically changed to the sizzling burn of her computer. Coca-Cola spilled over her computer keys and screen. The PC exploded. The stench of its burning motherboard grew stronger as Alex's room whirled around her, moving in a blurry tornado. Her head rang and she stumbled through the smoke, her ears ringing, and then the smoke began to change. Thin, wispy incense streaks replaced the dark and threatening cloud that had previously encased Alex.
Hey, old dude.
Excuse me?
Who are you?
Well,
Are you here for me? Oh, we haven't had a play in so long. Now, how did the riddle go again? Eternity, time and space.
What? No, please. I'm just a bit confused. Where are we?
We're here, are we not?
Smells like somebody set a hippie on fire. Also, you still haven't answered my question. You're being really rude and... Are you even listening to me? Hello? Anybody there?
Well, hello there.
Hi. Do you know where we are? I mean, just a few minutes ago, I was playing on my computer, and it looked just like this. And this one must be a dream. That must be it. I'm just dreaming. This isn't reality.
Well, who's to say which is which? That and that, or that and this, one's another, yet at the same time, it's not.
You're confusing me. Maybe I should just get going.
Wait. You haven't answered the riddle.
What riddle? Nothing makes sense here.
The riddle. He told you, didn't he? Hey, Jimmy, tell them the riddle.
Oh, yes. I am the beginning of the end of every place. I am the beginning of eternity, the end of time and space. What am I?
Beginning of eternity, end of time and space. E! The letter E.
Well done, you're a smart one, eh?
Thanks. Now which way do I go? How do I leave?
Well, if you'd really like to go, you should go this way.
Which way?
That way, of course.
I should?
Should what?
Useless.
Oh, a new player! Can I watch? If even your next challenge you do but.
Watch what? And do you know where I should be going to leave?
You're not even halfway done. What fun! No need to further delay. The magic lies that way.
Thank you.
Why, hello there. Do you want to see a trick? I can pull a rabbit from my hat. But I'm afraid he's got to look into something. Some magic, some chess game. Anyways, want to hear a riddle?
Do I even have a choice at this point?
I reside in every grain of sand, but never in the ocean. You can find me in every millisecond, but you will come across me not once in a decade. What am I?
Well, if it's anything like the last weirdo's riddle, it's not A, not M, not N. It must be S, the letter S.
Correct you are. Oh, and if you see my rabbit, do tell me. I need to fire him.
Will do. Now which way do I go? Where's that clown guy when you need him?
You cold?
Yeah, I have a bone to pick with you. I answered 2 stupid riddles and I am no closer to getting out of here.
Patience, player. The party during the parties is about to take place.
What party? And why is nobody here answering my stupid question? Hey, it's the rabbit. Mr. Rabbit, the magician was just looking for you.
I'm watching the game. Silly girl, you should be playing.
Wait, is this just chess? Oh, I love chess. Where are my pieces?
Stupid little girl, you are the piece.
Wait. C. E. S. C. Escape!
And that was the story on how Alice escaped Dreamland. What a classic.
As you can see, we have chosen to remake the well-known story, Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. There are many links between the original and our remake, such as shared lines, character virtues, and overall themes.
My character was based on Alice. We both have blonde hair, wear blue and white clothing, and share the experience of being trapped in a dreamland of some sort. We are both driven by following a white rabbit and play a game with a queen towards the end, even if it is a chess piece queen.
My character, the clown, was based on the well-known Cheshire Cat. We both share the traits of making people happy. We also share the scenes of pointing the protagonist in multiple directions. The Cheshire Cat is known for smiling, while clowns for cheering people up.
My character is based on the Tweedle twins. They love to speak in song, and that's why my character only speaks in rhymes.
My character is based on the caterpillar. We both share the famous lines, "Who are you?" And whilst the caterpillar was probably smoking something illegal, I was sniffing a piece of paper.
My character was based on the Mad Hatter. We both wear bald hats, and we both try to make sense in absolute nonsense. The Mad Hatter tries to justify all of the weird things he says, and magicians always try to conceal the reality from others, whether to amaze or just confuse them.
And my character was based off of the Queen of Hearts. Whilst the Queen of Hearts character was derived from a well-known card game, my character, the Queen of Chess, was derived from a well-known board game. Both of our characters play a game with Alice towards the end that she was led to by a white rabbit, right before exiting the surreal world. Remember to check out our social media and posters. Thank you!